Hello everyone, so Google Gemini it just updated a new feature. Now we can select any part of the image and change it, what type of change that you want. Like you can annotate and select the area and you can just click the text here. What kind of change that you need in the photo, you can change it. So let me show you from the first how to do this. Like in this image, I told it to make him face the camera and holding a big banana with his hand. And you can actually see the photo has been changed. I didn't give any prompt, just give the annotation like what type of change that I want to do in this area, and Google Nano Banana Pro just do it. And you can do this also in your phone application. This is the same option that you will have. Just click on the image and you will have this option like the color to select the area. So if we just select this color option and select the area that you want to change. So if I just choose this area and go to the text option and click here to write what I want. So I just text here, give him a black hat. Now I want to change something else also. Again, I'm going to choose the color here, different color, and choose the annotation option. And I'm going to select this area and click the text option and select it here and give a text. So I just text here holding a big banana, and you can also undo if you don't like the area that you select, you can undo that. And if you just happy with your selection, just click done. And now you don't have to give any prompt here because we already decided what we're going to do with the image. Click submit. So this is the image, give him a hat, a black hat, and holding a big banana right here. Now Nano Banana Pro going to analyze the image. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, this is the image that we got. Now he has a black hat and also he's holding the banana where I selected the area. Now if I see the before and after edit option in the image, as you can see, this is the image that I edited. Like this is the first image and I'll change it. And I want to face in the camera and hold a big banana here, as you can see. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.